morning. It's Friday morning. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about I just had it up on the screen, Leap into Art Journaling Workshop, which is tomorrow. So that is the information. I will throw the link up here. There we go. Okay. It's real easy to get to. So if you are signed up, I just jumped onto the private Facebook group and I gave you everything you're going to need for tomorrow, which is a very small list of supplies. And I'm encouraging you not to run out and buy a bunch of supplies if you feel the need to. I can, of course, give recommendations. So I told you if you have any questions, leave it in the comments area over there at the private Facebook group. If you haven't signed up, it is not too late. That's the great news. You can simply go to yourartfuljourney.com. Right there. There we go. I put it up on the screen. On the upper right-hand corner, you can click sign up, and it will simply, good morning, Terry. It will simply take you to that website. You will sign up. It's $19. It's a 2-hour workshop, maybe plus a little bit of time, but I think we'll get it done in 2 hours. It's a complete workshop with me online. It's in a private Facebook group, and I will tell you that once when you're in the group, the good news is I supply kind of everything you'll need. If you're afraid to draw and you've never done this or you've never painted, you don't even really need an art journal. You can do it on a piece of paper. But if you've been wanting to get into art journaling, I highly suggest that you just go grab an art journal, a mixed media one or watercolor one. I'm going to be using 7x10. Good morning, Terry. Good morning, Sandy. So tomorrow morning, how it's going to work, it's between 8 to 10 a.m. in my studio. It's on the private Facebook group. This will be the format. This is how you'll see me. And I wanted to share the supplies that you will need. Now, when I say you need, it's kind of loose because you can decide what you want to use or what you don't want to use. But I'm going to throw this. Okay, so I just put this. Good morning, Penny. This is what we're painting tomorrow. And I uploaded a copy of this so you can see and have it as a reference point. And I'm going to draw it from start to finish. But if you've never drawn or you're not comfortable or you don't really want to, I provided this. So there it is. You can just print it up very easily. And then you can use transfer paper. And don't worry, transfer paper is like carbon paper. This is the black or gray one. And in fact, it has, and I'm going to explain how to use it. This would be semi-necessary, but not the end of the world if you don't have it. You can use plain paper. This is what it looks like. So here's the pattern. Here's the transfer paper. You can easily do this with just a basic paintbrush. If you go get a basic set of watercolors, this would be in there. But this is a 6 or 8, probably a 6 round Dynasty brush, of course, and that will get you through tomorrow's class. 2 Sharpies, black, ultrafine, fine. You can get these at the hardware store, no big deal. Okay, there we go. I listed a Stabilo Aquarellable pencil. If you don't have it, don't fret. You can live without it. But that is handy as well. This is a white Uniball pen. Again, not absolutely necessary, but I'll show you in the detail work how handy it is. A basic set of watercolors. Now this, ironically, this one's never been used. This is a very basic set, but I have several, like I said, go into your kindergartner's backpack, and raid their backpack. Here's a set of Grumbacher's. These are brand new. I haven't used these yet. You know, I bet you when, you know, there's another set. I have many sets. If you're some artist, you've tried them from time to time. This is another set. Don't hesitate or don't fret if it's just your primaries. If you just have a set of praying watercolors, you are fine. You can go to the 99-cent store and pick up watercolors. Now, keep in mind, they may not be the best quality, but you're not worried about that. We're just digging in. If you've never art journaled before or you really wanted to get into this, this is a really great time. It's $19. Again, it's going to be on a private Facebook group, and it's going to be just like this format, only you're not going to see all, you're going to be watching this the whole time. You don't need to watch my mug the whole time. Nobody really wants to see me. But this is my morning meditation in the morning. So it's going to be at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I will be waking up, having a cup of tea with you. Now, I will do you the justice of not showing up in my pink robe because nobody wants to be tortured with that vision. But yeah, a lot of times my morning meditation is really in my pajamas. What's cute is I do have a pair of artsy pajamas. That's what we should do, is have a pajama party one night. I'll do one of these workshops at night, but it'll be in my pajamas. The only other thing I can think of you might need are paper towels and water. We'll go over that complete list again in the morning. I will jump on at about 7:45 in the morning. The great news is if you are a member of Your Artful Journey, this is free. You do need to go to the private Facebook group, and I can show you that real quick. Yes, I can, because technology is wonderful. Let me hide all these windows. Hide all utility windows. There we go. I'm going to show you my screen because I do want you to know if you are a member, it's automatic that you're accepted, but you do have to go to the group and you have to find it. I can't find you. I don't have the time to be searching for a number of people. And if you haven't signed up and you do what you do, if you haven't signed up yet and you are going to sign up, it's $19. You go to yourartfuljourney.com. I'm pointing to it right now. Good job. And up in the upper right-hand corner, I'll even show you that. You can sign up. It's not too late. You can sign up until tomorrow morning, but I just don't want to be scrambling and looking for people, and people can't find it. So that's why I'm going to jump on a little bit early tomorrow and just make sure we're all set to go. Really, I just want this to be a calm, creative environment where we all just hang out and meditate exactly how I do and what I practice on a daily basis. So I will share my screen right now. Boom. That's not my screen. It does not look like my screen. Is that my screen? That's my screen. Okay. This is the private Facebook group. I just went in there and did a video. Let's refresh this. I was up in the wee hours of the morning designing my next class, and I just released that, so that's exciting. When you go to join, it's going to ask what if you paid and what was the email address that you signed up under. So I just went in and did a video for everybody to show them, and I will show you that here's the list of items. Here's our completed page, and this is the template, so it's all in there. And it's called Leap Into Art Journaling with Tracy Paid Workshop. So you're just going to want to go there. You're going to want to make sure you're a member. I don't care. You can go ahead and post a little welcome just so I know who's going to be there. In fact, let's do that right now. Hi, everyone. Excited about tomorrow morning. Please let me know who you are and what you are most looking forward to learn from me tomorrow. You know what? I'm just going to ask. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. There we go. So I just posted in there, and this one member who wants to join isn't part of it. So, yeah. Oh, great question. Here's an awesome question. Oh, I will take you to Your Artful Journey right now. Let's go there. yourartfuljourney.com. If you haven't signed up, super simple, plug that in, hit sign up for live workshop on February 29th. It takes you right there. Done deal. That's how easy it is. Okay, let me come back to the full screen. Okay, if you cannot catch me live, it will be recorded. You can catch it later. Okay, so don't fret about that. I don't want anybody to feel like, the great news is if you want to go back and rewatch it, maybe you missed a technique or you wanted me to slow down in the drawing, don't worry, I will do that, okay? I think that's it. I just wanted to pop on here and say good morning and tell you how much I'm looking forward to spending tomorrow with you. Tomorrow morning, we're not going to spend the entire day together. I got stuff to do. I got a going away party to go to. This will be my mug, and I'll probably have two cups of tea while we're online. Okay, happy Friday. You now have everything you need to get started. No excuses. It's time to join me. And again, I'm catering this to those who are just ready to join in. But if you're an expert and you want to join me, oh my goodness, it will be live. You can ask me questions. I will answer every single question. I get asked some pretty great ones when we're creating. And it's just that's why it's in a private Facebook group. It's a real safe space for us to just create together. I want those who are serious about it and not asking about my love life or letting me know that they think I should do this video with less clothing on. That's not going to happen tomorrow morning. Yes, it happens. Okay. So I will see you tomorrow morning. Remember, it's called Leap into Art Journaling paid workshop, or with Tracy paid workshop, okay? But don't hesitate. Go to yourartfuljourney.com. You'll be supplied the link. Happy Friday. I think I need to have less tea in the morning. I will see you tomorrow morning. Have a great day.